Hello, this is my little extra help for the Friendships Across the Lifespan essay. It has been a little bit complicated for some people, so I want to make sure you understand what you need to be doing. First part of this assignment is that you're going to quote unquote interview yourself. What that basically means is you're going to ask, these are the questions, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the questions you're going to be asking your interview people. You're going to ask yourself first because you are going to represent your age group. So however old you are, that's the age group you're going to represent. So you're going to ask yourself these questions. You don't necessarily have to write them down, but you're going to represent your age group, okay? Then you're going to choose 5 more people to represent the lifespan. So you want someone under the age of 10, someone between 10 and 20, someone between 20 and 30, someone between 30 and 40, someone between 50 and like that, okay? And you represent whatever age you are. So if you have, like here they have the age groups are a little smaller, 10 to 13, 14 to 18. As long as they're different ages, you should be fine. But the crux of it is you want young people, middle-aged people, and old people, okay? Don't ask a person in your age group, all right? But you want 5 other people. So you're going to ask them these questions. These ones right here. Okay. Ask them all the same questions. Now, you can do this in an email if you want to. You can do it over the phone. You can do it in person. It really doesn't matter to me. If you go to a church, a great thing to do would be to ask somebody, maybe a kid of somebody you know, elderly people. It doesn't really matter to me. You aren't going to be turning this in, that part of it, so don't worry about necessarily writing it all down. The idea is for you to be able to collect information so that you are able to get the information you need for your essay. And just for your own information, this type of research, anybody remember what this is called? It should be called an interview, and you're doing what we call a stratified interview because you're going to be talking to people from different age groups. So actually it's a cross-sectional stratified interview if you're interested. Okay, so then you're going to analyze the information. You consider the answers of the people that you asked. You want to look for the similarities across the age span and the differences across the age span. So how are best friends defined at different points across the lifespan? And then why do you think there's differences are there? So those, again, you're just asking yourself these questions. You're analyzing the information. And then you're going to look at the chapter on Piaget and Erikson on chapter 5, and you're going to see if you can find examples from your interviews that connect with the reading and the theory. Then you're going to write this essay, 5 to 7 paragraph essay on friendship development, and you're going to include these things, and you're going to include your analysis. Okay, I don't need the actual interviews, but the idea would be for you to show me how did you find that friendships changed across the lifespan, all right? And make sure that you analyze and that you are connecting it with the information that you get from the book. It's important that you understand this is an essay, so make sure that you're using introduction and a conclusion, that you're using APA style based on the examples I gave you. You're going to be graded on that. So, and again, it's a 5 to 7 paragraph essay. So that should give you a good idea what to do. Let me know if you have any other questions.